And the race is on. Number 4, Lady Diamond, pass to begin. And as gold. Lever action alongside. And moving up is Swab Tiger, stand by your men. And as gold, the leader, followed by Lever action. Lady Diamond, stand by your men. Swab Tiger, the favorite, racing in fifth, rising up Super Elegant. Racing stage, Abun's Treasure, 5 o'clock. Star of Manel racing from the outside, Farah Goods Order, second last, 8A, Dugu's favorite. The Chosen Ones running at the tail of the field, Hannah's Gold by ahead. Lever action, Lady Diamond, stand by your men, is racing in fourth and racing from the outside, fifth is Swab Tiger. Lever action is now the leader, followed by Hannah's Gold, Lady Diamond. Swab Tiger is racing from the outside, stand by your man, and Super Elegant as the action swing towards the long nice stretch run. It's now entry number 5, Lever action, Hannah's Gold. Swab Tiger is on the outside. Lady Diamond, stand by your man, Abun Stray, Star of Manel. And nearing the finish line, Lever action, Swab Tiger. And finally, Swab Tiger. Lever action, Hannah's Gold, Lady Diamond, Super Elegant. And for your Super sa East, 5 o'clock.